everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's short video, I will give you an example on how to take the measurements and how to choose your size on using our size chart created for our balconette bikini pattern top and bra pattern Snowflake. So let's dig into the details on how to measure and how to choose your size. So let's measure the underbust measurement. Grab your soft tape, and your model should be wearing something very thin like this. This is lace, so this is very thin and tight to her body, so it's fine. I can make my measurement like so, and I'm gonna go horizontally below the bust, and without overlapping the seam tape and without placing my finger underneath the tape, I'm going to adjust the tape measurement, and I can see here that it says 80. So her underbust measurement is 80, and with this we are able to find our underbust. Now let's measure the bust to find our cup size. So let's measure first the inner bust, from your bust point inwards until the fold of your breast against your chest, and I have 10, so I'm gonna write down inner bust 10 centimeters. On the outer bust, it's again the same, from the bust point outwards, and I'm gonna go down here so that I'm not in front of the camera, and I have 11. So I have 10 on this side and I have 11 on this one. And finally, I'm going to measure from here until the fold, which is 9 centimeters. And we now have our inner, outer and height of the bust. Now I'm going to show you, I have two size wires here, the 42 and the 44, and I'm going to show you the difference, the small difference between them. This is the 42, so the smaller one, and I'm going to place the wire under the bust, and you can clearly see on the outer here that it's going against the skin. So this is of course this is small for her, and you can also see here in the middle, which is also going against the breast tissue, so this is obviously a small size for her. But when we go for the 44, you can see that on the outer side this is okay, so it's not pinching her breast tissue on the outer side here, and on the inside also. So her wire number is actually 44. That we have taken her measurements, we can go over, this is the back office, but it's the same that is going to be available for you. Now that we know her sizes, we already know that the underbust is 80, so our underbust size is a 36 in centimeters, and in inches 31.5 inches. So we know that she's a 36, and we took these measurements also, and if we take a look at this chart here, she's 10, 11 and then 9. So I would say that she's a 36C with these measurements. And if we move down here, we will see that 36C actually has a 42 wire. This is the wire size chart. And fortunately for us, we have the wires with us, and we tried the wires on her, and we could see that the 42 is small. So we keep the band size 36, but we go up one cup size. So instead of C cup, we go to a D cup. We have the wire that we know that fits her, and we keep the band size. And so we are going to print a 36D cup with a 44 wire. And I am sure about this because I have tried and make a bra for her for the 36C, and it was obviously small. So as you can see, it really helps when you try the wire and you check that the wire, actually the best wire for her is 44. So now I know my size, it's a 36D. if you cannot grab a wire and try your wires, you could also use this measure tape that I'm gonna pop up here, and use this to place this on top of the PDF that we provided with the wires to try and find the best size wire for you. And today, this is it. As you can see, we have the size chart available here, and you will be able to see these are the sizes that we have available. You can always do sister sizes from these numbers, and you also have a video on how to do sister sizes. But for now, this is it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to hear from you very soon. Thank you!